Once again, okay, I will provide you the basic information about that. Yeah. Now, HTML elements are two types. What the first type? So, container. Okay. So, actually, the thing is to work with the React projects, basic HTML knowledge is required. Already I told you. Basic HTML knowledge is required. That's why we started with HTML. So HTML contains are two types. Told you one is container. So container means it can hold other controls. Okay, can hold other controls. Example if you take div, span, all this comes under containers. Okay, so div span, table, anchor, mark you. All this comes under containers. Okay, yes. So every container is combination of open and close tag like this. Okay, div if you observe like this. Yeah, every container in the combination of open and close tag. Yes. Inside this open and closing tags, we are placing the other elements. Okay. Yeah. Next one here we have non-containers. Yes. Second one here, non-containers. Okay. Yes. Okay. Cannot hold other elements. Okay. We can use to receive some data or instructions. Why we are using non-containers? To receive some data or instructions. Yes. In this point of view, we are using non-containers. So examples if we take here, text box, button, etc. All this comes under non-containers. Okay. Yes. So containers again divided into two types. Yes. So what are the types we have in container? Hmm? First one is
Block level elements.
block level element or block element. Second one is
Inline
Inline elements.
like there we have two types. Okay. So 1 minute, please stay on the line. for this block element. Yeah. Occupies complete width of the screen. So div is on blocking. Table is on block level element. Paragraph is on block level element like that. Yes. Yeah. Next one, inline element. Width of the element is up to the content. Span, anchor, like that. All these elements comes under inline elements. Okay. Got the width here up to the content. Like that, we have these two types. One is block level element. Second one is inline element. Okay. Yes. Now, one interview common question. What is the difference between div and span? Okay. Div tag is block level element. The span is inline element, right? Yeah, I will show you that. So this is one program. Yeah, already same example. I am taking div tag. In this div tag, image source is equal to orange.j width is equal to something like so 30 pixels again. So can we display the image control inside the div tag? Yes or no? Can we display image control inside the div tag? Yes, because div is container, right? Div is container, and which type of container? That is block level container. Now here, this is demo one. With that, yes. Right click. Open with browser, it displays like that. And after that, I am placing some text. Where we are expecting this text? Side of that image or new line?
Next line.
Next line. Yes, it displays in next line. In case span, now side, like it is clear. Like that, we have these two elements. Okay, yes. Now here, div and span tag, both elements we are using to design the web page to hold the multiple controls as a group. So here two groups are there. So every two concepts are there. Every concept contains some 5 elements or 10 elements. So every concept elements I want to hold as one entity. Then we can use either div or span. Now here these two concepts we want to display side by side. These two concepts we want to display side by side. Then we are taking span. These two concepts we are displaying one by one. Then we are taking div. Is this clear? That is the main concept of div and span. Okay? Yes. Anyhow, here, so groups you want to display side by side. So registration is there, login is there. Registration form contains some controls, login form contains some controls, right? So you want to display these controls side by side. Then we are preparing this registration login form using span tag. We want to display these controls one by one. Then we are using div tag. So that's the concept. Okay. Yes. Next one, marquee is there. Yes. This marquee. Welcome to my site have given. So marquee we are using to display the scrolling content on the web page. I think you have seen marquee in different websites. Okay. IRCTC.com, like that, in different websites you can identify, observe this marquee. We are using to display the scrolling content. So here some properties are there, attributes. Scroll amount is equal to 40 I have given. Yes. Scroll amount is equal to 40. Then it increases the speed of this marquee. Okay, now save this and refresh here. Like that. Means every regular interval of time period moves 40 pixels. 4 I have given. So it moves 4 pixels. Okay.
Is there any option for top to bottom? It's left, right
Yeah,
to
we
left.
mark direction.
Just curiosity. That's
Right I have given. So towards right side. Okay. So default direction is left we have.
top to bottom.
Yeah, then you can use bottom. So direction up and down. You can use up and down. Refresh.
Sorry.
Okay, if you increase the height of this marquee, then style is. I will discuss style properties later. Okay. 300 pixels are given. Then we are getting the output like this. Is it clear? So anyhow, default direction is left. Like, okay. Like that we have this one. Yes. Yes. Now, can I place any image here? Okay, so img source is equal to, okay, orange dot jpeg and width is equal to 20 pixels anyway. Yes. Now refresh it.
Spelling mistake is
Yeah, where orange
no image.
anji. Okay. Now if you observe this, that image is moving on the web page. The mark is container. Okay. It can hold HTML control. That's why it is holding that image control here. Like this. Okay. Now copy and paste. Yes. This is about mark view. Next one. So anchor tag. Anchor tag we are using a first table. HTML table. So table purpose is to display the controls in rows and columns. Okay. Yes. So as a cells you want to display the control, then we are using table. In this table, so first of all, I'm providing border 1 pixel. So here T head, that is table heading. Yes. This is T head. Inside this, yeah, username. And one more heading, city. Two headings I have taken. Okay. So this is T head. Means headings to hold the heading. We are using T head tag. Now T body to hold the rows and columns. So TR is the tag to display the row. Inside the row, we are placing cells. For that, TD is the tag. We are using. Okay, now Scott, close this TD. Close TR. Refresh Scott is the output. Another TD. Close this TD. Yes. Yeah. So this is Scott and this is Hyderabad. One more row you want to display. Then we are using one more TR. Inside the TR, you can place yes. So TD. So I mean city is and then from the TR. Like that, we are using this username and city. Okay. Yes. Copy and paste here. Yes. Yeah. Next one, anchor type purpose. What the purpose of anchor type to display the hyperlinks? Okay. Now here A href is the property to specify the page to which page you want to redirect. So here something like http://google.com I have given. Well, for that I can refresh. So when I click on this, it is redirecting to Google website. Okay. Yes. Now I want to place image control mango.jpc and width is equal to 30 pixels. Yeah. Is it valid or invalid? Yes, it displays image because I told you anchor is one container, right? So when I click on this, then it is redirecting to another web page. Okay. And here, after this anchor tag, welcome some text I'm displaying. What is that? Welcome. Yeah. Is this inline or block level element? That welcome text. I mean anchor tag. Is anchor tag inline or block level element?
Inline.
Inline. Right. Where we can expect the welcome side of this anchor tag. Now refresh, it displays the welcome side of this anchor tag like that. This clear?
But you told me if you're using that span, it's a next line, right, sir?
Span is also inline.
Okay. Without
That
using
means
that
side
also,
by side. Div is block, next line.
block.
Table is block. Okay. So after table tag, if you place any content, it is coming into new line. Okay. Like that. So inside the anchor tag, you can also place image and other controls because that is one container. Okay. Next one here, paragraph is there. Nothing is there to display the content in paragraph style. Okay. It is separate paragraph we have. Means to hold the text. For this text, you want to apply any styles like this. Okay, I will explain the styles later. But here I have given color red. Then we are getting this output. So here just A, B, C, D I have given. Now refresh. Some gap is coming. It is the nature of paragraph. Okay. Now here X, Y, Z I have given. Here also some gap is there. Yes, instead of paragraph, if I use div tag. Now refresh it. So that gap is not coming. It is coming only with paragraph here. Is it clear? Huh? One second. This is about paragraph. Okay. Next. So no need to discuss more about this paragraph. Next thing is, yeah, heading tags are there. Simple heading tags. Okay. So here H1. So heading tag we are using to display the text in heading point of view. Heading 1 is there. This is H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Like that, we have heading tags. So 6 heading tags are there, like this. Okay. Now, input tag we are using. Input. Yes. So this input tag we are using to hold the input controls. Using this tag, we can hold input controls. Yes. What this tag we have input tag. Okay. So here you want to display the text box button, radio button, etc. Then we are using this input tag. So type is the property to specify the type of control. Yes. So what the property we are using? Type property we are using here to specify the type of control. Now here I'm using this. Input type is equal to text. Displays the text box button control. Yes. Yeah. So placeholder is equal to username. Yes. Now it displays that username. And here, if I type something like, then it is clearing the text. And dir is equal to direction. Okay. RTL, right to left. Now see, card we are getting like LTR, left to right. Okay. I mean, like that. This is the direction. The default one is left to right. Next, input. Type is equal to button. Displays the button control. Some text. I want to display the button control. Value is the yes. Value is equal to something like login. Now it displays login text. This is about button control. Is it clear? So what the text login is the text I have given. Okay. Yes. Port type is equal to radio. First of all, file. Yeah, this is file upload control. Yes, type is equal to file I have given. So this is file upload control. So user can choose a file by clicking on this. If we click here and select on this, user can choose one. So we can send this file to the server using that React script and other scripts that I will discuss later. First of all, how to display the file upload control we are discussing. Okay, yes. Next one, import type is equal to radio. So these are common controls every day we are using in our application. So it displays the radio button. Now refresh. You can see one radio button is there. Yes. So some text I'm using. Mail displays with text mail. And one more radio button. Input type is equal to radio. So female. Yes. Now here user can select these two input controls. Okay. But I want only one selection. Okay. So means these two controls. So in these two controls, we want only one selection. Then we are using name property. R1 I have given and same name I have given here also. Now refresh. User can select either this one or this one like that. Yes, this is radio button. Checkbox. Input type is equal to checkbox. Now refresh. So this is the checkbox control which we have, right? Yes. Now drop down list dialog box. Okay, I want to display. Then we are using select the tag. So displays drop down list dialog box. Okay, inside this select option, something like yeah. Yes, option is that tag. So this tag we are using to display the items in drop. Okay, so what's the item anyway? React. Now if I refresh, you can see. So it displays React. Yeah. One more option I want to take. Angular. Now we can see React Angular. Like that we have these options. This is drop down dialog box. Now next one, text area. Multi-line text box you want to display. Okay. Then here, welcome with the text. See, this text area is combination of open and closing tags. So if you take a text box button, radio button, directly we close it like this. But this text area is the combination of open and closing text. Now you can see this is the text area. In this text area we have like false is equal to 30 pixels are given. The columns 30 characters, up to the 30 characters means user can type the 30 characters here. So after that, remaining characters are coming into the new line like this. Okay, and rows also you can provide. Rows is equal to 15 I have given. Now these are the rows which we have up to 15 rows. You can see this. 10 I have given like after 10 you will get the scroll bars. And this is text area. We are using to display the multi-line text box. So this text area, is it container or non-container? That is the main question. Is it container or non-container? See, so text area is pair tag. It contains open and closing tags, but it is non-container. In case if I place image, source is equal to mango.jpg and width is equal to something like 50 pixels I have given. Then are you expecting image control or same text inside the text box? It will not display image control. It displays same text line. It is clear? Yes. So this is about text area. Okay. We are using this text area to display the multi-line. Okay. Actually, multiple lines you want to display, then we are using. But it is non-container. Okay. It cannot hold HTML controls. Now here, hello I have given. Scott, like the two lines I have given. Now if you observe this, it displays hello Scott line. Yes, this is about text area. So these are the common HTML controls every day we are using in our application developments. Okay. Yes. So now if you clear with this HTML controls, this is enough for us. Okay. So mainly these input controls and the div span. So this is common interview question. What is difference between div and span? Yes. So div span we are using to hold the multiple controls as one group. Okay. So both purpose to design the web pages. But the difference is, yeah, tell me what the difference between these two. What the difference we have? Div is block level element or block element. Span is inline element.
Inline elements.
That is the difference between these two. Okay. Yeah. This is about the concept of this. So any doubts you have in this concept, you can ask me now. Any questions, any doubts? Hmm? Yeah. So this part of HTML is enough for us. Now we need to start the JavaScript concepts. JavaScript, complete JavaScript is required. Okay. So in JavaScript point of view, yes. So we are covering the topics like that I will show you here. So all these topics in JavaScript we are covering here. So declarations, variable types, scopes, functions, typos, anonymous functions, arrow functions, IFP callback, nested functions, events, dynamic events, varlet, hosting, array and array functions, types of functions like that. Okay. Objects, bomb objects, data object, math object, string object, Ajax promise. Okay. Like that, all these JavaScript concepts we need to discuss. Async event, object-oriented programming. Okay. Yes. Exception handling, local storage, like that. Many concepts are there. So closures curry, like that. These are the concepts we are covering in JavaScript. So that's why. So it takes more days. Okay. So because if you familiar with this JavaScript, then only you can easily understand the React concepts. Okay, because React is framework of library of JavaScript. React is nothing but the library of JavaScript. That is the concept of this. Okay. Yes. Any queries we have in this point of So here, what are the topics we discussed today? Okay, I will paste the chat window. 1 second. Yeah. So save this file with name something like day2.txt, because still we are running with the demo link only. So that's why I cannot provide you Google Drive access. So that's why I'm uploading in chat window. Okay. Now you can see here. Yeah. Check it out. In your chat window, you got the file. Okay. Yeah. Just yesterday I pasted the content in chat. So today I uploaded as file. Both you can combine in a single file. Okay. Yes. So hope you understand this concept. Any more doubts? Okay. So I think maybe demos are closing shortly. So tomorrow we have class. Okay. In tomorrow class, I will start the JavaScript concepts. So maybe Monday onwards, new link will change. Okay. Yes. That's why if we have any payment, okay, pendings, or you want to continue, then better you should close payments. Okay. That you can register with DURGASOFT.
Sir,
So
is that a weekly 5 classes or 6?
6.
Okay.
Tomorrow also we have class, I told you, right? Saturday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Is tomorrow Saturday or not? Yes.
In
Sundays?
US, it's a Friday.
Here Saturday. If it is Friday, then we can count Sunday 1 day, right?
Okay.
Monday, here Monday, in US it is Sunday, right? 6 days a week. Okay, fine. So when the link changes, then we are spending up to 9 o'clock, 1 hour session every day. 8 to 9 is our regular timing. Okay, in next class we will discuss, okay, remaining JavaScript concepts we are starting. See you next class. You can drop. Thank you.